So we're also going to need something heavy, which is going to weight down the templates when we're placing the letters onto the item. A pair of scissors for paper, smaller is better, these are quite large, but they're nice because they're super sharp. And this is a seam ripper or a quick unpick. This is great for helping to cut out the small middle parts of letters. This is optional, this is a chalk pencil, so when we're marking the centre point to place the grid on, then we can use this. This will wash away. And we've also got a very sharp pointed pencil we're going to use to draw around the letters, and some super sharp scissors as well. This can also help with cutting out the centre of the letters and also cutting our thread. And the last thing we're going to need is an iron and an ironing board and a piece of cardboard. So I've got here an old Amazon envelope which I've cut the edges off and turned inside out. So I place this on top of my ironing board, and then I will place the item I'm going to applique on top of this, and then the letters, and then press. This gives a really brilliant flat foundation so that the letters all adhere beautifully straight.